Today, the wrap-up party for Queen of Tears was held, and of course, our two main actors, Soohyun and Jiwon, were also present. The sheer number of fans and cheers welcoming them startled the actors. And there's reporters asking Kim Soohyun to scream his iconic line, Haein. When Jiwon arrived, oh, she looked so pretty. And when the reporters asked her to do the crown pose, and she was so shy doing it. Interestingly, both greeted everyone in a very similar way. It's not just the two main stars. Other cast members also livened up the wrap-up party. Aunt Beomja is slaying like always, everyone calling Haein's mom eomma. And here's Sunghoon cutely asking fans not to hate him so much.
은성이는 미워하되 저는 미워하지 말아주세요. 감사합니다.